like this. You sit over there, put lights in your face, and ooh, 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 forever and ever. What? Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm not even not sleeping in our bed because my back is killing me. So I sleep here in the floor with the long pillows together. I woke up like 5 something o'clock in the morning, 5:20. Yeah, and I texted my husband that early because he's already awake early and because he's working today very early, and I told him to put the garbage out because we have 3 garbage pail that it's full of like cans. And yes, I told him to do that. And also I'm awake, I'm checking up on my Facebook, I check up on YouTube if somebody comments. Good morning, look at me. And I don't want to get up, but all I hear is that noise. Can you hear the noise? Hold on, guys. It's crazy noise. I don't know what the heck's going on with that noise. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna brush my teeth. Toilet, tank, not tank, other tank. Oh my god, I really like, I'm an idiot. Anyway, guys, I'm going to have some poop. Anyway, I'm gonna brush my teeth and ready to go downstairs because today I will paint this room. I will paint this room today, this bathroom, and maybe this right here.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hi guys, done having my breakfast and my husband called me as usual. My husband misses me. I like it when he called me. I love it anyway. I just like to see I have a picture over there. And yeah, I just kill all the lights because it's daytime and I'm not gonna be down there anyway. I'm gonna be here upstairs painting. But right now I am going to change work. Oh my god, my husband make a dirt of this. I have to repaint this because it's not good. Look, it's become dirty now over this one. Anyway, I'm going to change to work clothes and back to you later. I'm done. Am I needed? Okay, let's do a thing. Paint a thing. Okay, I'm gonna bring stuff over here. Turn the light over here. Put some light. Anyway, I wear this again. Work still. I'm not gonna keep changing. Whatever, this is not a good stuff, but anyway. Yeah, so right now I am going to get you know what I'm going to get? A tape. This tape, this, and also this. Yeah, I don't know if I can carry it one time while I have the camera over my eyes. Hold on, guys, my eyes. This one over here is not done, this bathroom, because I have to do some stuff and then the white is not enough. so need to be done properly. So I have this and this and the paint. I need to bring the paint to color. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, heavy. Later, guys, I think later or tomorrow I'm gonna do a drama effect. I write already. I have some drama effect. I probably make it a separate video for that. Ouch! Whew, that was heavy. I mean, it's not heavy. It's heavy a little bit, and it hurt my finger. Finger.com. Finger.com. Thing that I have to do is paint, tape. I will see you guys later, and I'm just gonna do the job because you see me doing I took a video already of doing some stuff, so I'm not gonna do that because it's kind of boring to you guys. It's boring to me too because I'm alone, no music, nothing. You guys tell me what I'm gonna do in this area. You tell me. This is a nice space. You can put chair in there and put your face. It's nice to sit over there like this, guys. Like this. You sit over there, put lights in your face, and that's what I'm going to do. Sit over there and scare people. Yeah, haunted house. So anyway, I am just scaring myself alone here. I'm just stupid nutsy. Yeah, I'm trying to scare myself. I'm just done with my first coat. It's kind of tricky because there's a lot of taping need to be done. You know, tape everywhere. Tape here, tape over here. You know, paint a blue tape. And oh my god, that was so tiring. It's like half of my day. Oh well, it's not really half of my day. It's like 3 hours work with that. 3.5 hours. Lunch, I'm just going back over there to do a second coat and then done. And yeah, it's still like a whole day thing for the bathroom, to paint the bathroom because it's really small. But the other bathroom, I can't even finish that yesterday. No paint, nada. So anyway, I like my thing over here, the Lazy Susan thing. It's kind of like, you know, like you don't have to reach in the back like, ooh, what's the heck in the back. But I have to put label in here. Labeling in it. Labeling. This is sugar. I probably put a flour one of this thing. This is too small for flour. I need a bigger one for flour to put in the cabinet. But I can put coffee here. The coffee is have a thing. I can transfer the coffee here. Afghan coffee. I can transfer that over here, that we don't have to put this over here. You can just hide it in the corner. I'll see you later, guys, because I'm just gonna sit down for now. My thing here is very hard, like stress, or maybe it's like the muscle is tightened because of like. Hold on, I'm zooming in. I'm going to zoom in, but that I can see it properly. It's a freaking cat with 2 kittens in it. Yeah, 2 kittens. Oh my god, they're playing. I'll show you the video. The tree over there, they like to jump like a freaking. Look at this. I will show this to you, honey. It's the cutest thing ever, hon. Oh my god. just gonna prepare my food for lunch. And I'm gonna drink water because I need to drink a lot of water. I'm not a drinking water drinker, like just like I survive without drinking. But I notice every time I drink, I like the flow of my pee pad, the flow of that. And then I also notice about my skin. So I noticed that, but the laziness that I have about drinking water is not going to stop. Like the laziness of drinking water, I don't know why I can't just drink water. It's a really bad idea, guys. I'm done in, you can see, bathroom, and I'm gonna do the second floor hallway. Yeah, it is forever heaven. What? Dida dawn, dida dawn. Anyway, guys, I'm shaking and shaking. I'm checking if I still have the abalone color, the gray one, that the same color in the dining and the living room. Okay, let me check if it's enough because I want to put abalone. A balloon, a balloon. I know I'm not really hungry, but I will eat and then drink a lot of water. So good. So good. My ulam, guys, tinapa, ligo. I put a kikuman, very little of that, and a little bit of this, sokang pinakurat, and a lemon. And this is what my, not lunch, dinner. It is 10 o'clock and I am so sleepy. I'm still waiting my husband to call me. He called a while ago and he's doing barbecue late because I'm not there, so he's cooking stuff for them. And yeah, so he said he's going to call me back and I'm so sleepy. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and go to sleep. And I also charged my phone because it's low, but I've been using this whole day. And anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I really appreciate it. Good night, guys. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do. Just click the button below, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.